Songwriting Works encompasses the whole idea of getting people together to sing. And through the power of song and singing, no matter how shy you are, no matter what condition you're in, you're able to participate in an accepting and relaxed atmosphere.
I'm Judith Kate Friedman, and I founded Songwriting Works in 1990. It's a very playful thing, and this was our first time bringing it back to the community in many years. No experience with music is required, and it's a failure-free zone. What's really generative is the surprise factor of, wow, what have I always wished I could do? What can I do? Oh, this person has confidence in me, and that builds confidence in me. We do a layered process, everything from breathing and how do you warm up your voice, what is it to be in pitch or in rhythm. We had people bring their original songs in, where we also did a little learning them and accompanying.
People can come out of their shell in the most unique ways, in the most unexpected ways as well. And that for me is what Songwriting Works is all about.
Whenever we've mastered one small step and we give ourselves credit or receive acknowledgement for it, it actually has been shown to boost the immune system. Everything about it is building well-being in addition to creativity. So how could that be bad for a community? It's good for a community.